So once again, my name is Mike Capes, man. I represent St. John's. Make some noise for the north side one time. Real shit. So like I said, I got albums and shirts and shit back there. Hey man, you spoiled a motherfucking surprise, bro. Hey, that's my brother, by the way, man. We ain't gonna do it now. Hey, y'all, hey, boo this motherfucker right here. Hey, play that shit, nigga. Come up here, bro, come up here. Hey, I can't waste this nigga's fresh inside the crowd here. This shit need to be seen. Hey, y'all gotta turn that shit for this one. Hey, come on. Yeah. Hey. Northside nigga, I done came up. Homie. Northside nigga, I done came up. Homie. Northside nigga, I done came up. Never when they said nigga changed up. Listen, nigga, when he got his change up. That's real spill shit is never made up. Northside nigga, I done came up. What? I done came up, homie. Northside nigga, I done came up. What? I done came up, homie. Northside nigga, I done came up. Never when they said nigga changed up. Listen, nigga, when he got his change up. That's real spill shit is never made up, homie. Hey, they got in a nigga, I came from the bottom and rose to the top. Hey, no love for a hater, they just motivate me to go get this pop. Hey, put that on my mama, I'll go get the commas, that's part of my pop. I came in this music to help them get through it, I'm serving the block. Could have been swerving the block, banging and swerving the cop. But I had a mission, though, I put this work in a lot. Boy, I be working the clock, cause I'm on a bridge, you know, I gotta get it for all my niggas and pay them a visual. I took a pit in the pad, went after my dreams and made this shit literal. Grew up in poverty, hoping that we win the lottery, living a fiction at home. That used to bother me, made me a talking and comedy, but show me how to be strong. I never changed it for nothing, my struggle, cause that shit has made me a man. Now your favorite rappers are fan. Hey. Now your favorite rappers are fan. Now your favorite rappers are fan. Ain't no coincidence, dog. I've been killing shit. This shit really was part of the plan. If you was sleeping or sleeping, it's fucking with me. Hey. Northside nigga, I done came up. Turn up, I done came up, homie. Northside nigga, I done came up. Turn up. Northside nigga, I done came up. What? I done came up, homie. Northside nigga, I done came up. I done came up, homie. Northside nigga, I done came up. Never when they said nigga changed up. That's a nigga when they got to change up. That's real spill shit is never made up. Give me all type of energy. Hey man, I'm like 275. I was 3 feet off the ground. But like I said, man, thank y'all. I'm gonna be in the back selling CDs and hats and all that shit. I know some of y'all want some, so follow me. Make some noise for Drae Slapz. Drae Slapz also got the hats in the back. Listen, nigga, when they gotta change up. That's real school shit, new time, Northside nigga, I done came up. I done came up, homie. Northside nigga, I done came up. I done came up, homie. Northside nigga, I done came up. Never when I say fucking change up. Listen, nigga, when he got his change up. is literal. Grew up in poverty, hoping that we win the lottery.
Living in sex in their homes.
Yeah, used to bother me, maybe you told me to comedy.
But show me how to be strong.
I never changed it for nothing, my struggle, cause that shit
It made me a man.
now I'm on the bubble and I'm on the, and your favorite rapper's a fan. Hey, now your favorite rapper's a fan.
You ready to turn up?
Now your favorite rapper's a fan. Ain't no coincidence, really wild. This shit was really his wild. If you was scheming, you was lying. Fuck you, I'm shining and tapping on her. Hey, Northside nigga, I done came up. I done came up, homie. Northside nigga, I done came up.
Wow.
I done came up, homie. Northside nigga, I done came up. Never when they say a nigga change up. Listen, nigga, when they gotta change up. That's real speed shit. Northside nigga, I done came up. I done came up, homie. Northside nigga, I done came up. I done came up, homie. Northside nigga, I done came up. Never when they say a nigga change up. Listen, nigga, when they gotta change up. That's real spill shit is never made up, homie. I appreciate this shit. Hey man, hey, half of that first verse, my mic cord came out and y'all kept going. That's some real ass shit. Hey, real shit, I appreciate all of y'all energy tonight. Make some noise for yourself. Make some noise for the no. And make some noise for DJ Drae Slapz. I'm gonna go back here and say this verse, man. Y'all follow me.
I was mobbing through the beach, yeah, the city by the sea. Mama tried to get me home, but I love the fucking street. I was cleaning up the key, trying to serve it to the street. Couple niggas had beef, so I had the chief key. I got homies from the 2, I got homies from the 3. I can bad things neutral, I just want to smoke the leaf. I was putting up a check, trying to eat on the check. Yeah, man, talk.
Give it up one more time for Mike James in the motherfucking building.